Welcome back to our channel, where we explore fascinating topics and delve into the world of wealth and success. In our previous video, we discussed the industries that have proven to be fertile ground for billionaires entrepreneurs. Today, we'll take a closer look at these industries and uncover some additional insights. So let's dive right in. Number 1. Space exploration and commercial space travel. The first industry we'll explore is space exploration and commercial space travel. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are at the forefront of this exciting field. The potential for technological advancements, untapped resources, infrastructure development, space tourism, and innovation contribute to the immense wealth potential in this industry. As we venture further into space, we uncover new opportunities for wealth creation. Number 2. Tech industry. Next up is the tech industry, which has been a breeding ground for billionaires. With its ability to grow rapidly with relatively lower capital requirements and its global reach, this industry has seen the emergence of numerous billionaires. The tech sector thrives on network effects, scalability, and the digital nature of its products and services. These factors enable entrepreneurs to reach vast audiences and accumulate substantial wealth. Number 3. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. The AI and ML industries have garnered significant attention in recent years, with their potential to revolutionize various aspects of human life and generate substantial economic value. It's no wonder that billionaires have emerged from this sector. Scalability, low marginal costs, and high barriers to entry further contribute to the concentration of wealth in this industry. As AI and ML continue to advance, so does the potential for wealth creation. Number 4. Financial services and fintech. Moving on, we come to the financial services sector, which plays a crucial role in our global economy. This industry orchestrates monetary transactions and introduces innovative solutions through fintech companies. Technological disruption, scalability, and global reach contribute to the wealth generation within this field. As financial services continue to evolve, entrepreneurs who tap into the potential of fintech can amass significant wealth. Number 5. Biotechnology and healthcare. In the realm of biotechnology and healthcare, we find another industry with immense wealth accumulation potential. The demand for innovative healthcare solutions and advancements in biotechnology create opportunities for entrepreneurs to amass significant wealth. High barriers to entry, intellectual property protection, and specialized knowledge contribute to the concentration of wealth in this sector. Those who tackle the challenges of healthcare with groundbreaking solutions can reap substantial financial rewards. Number 6. Virtual and augmented reality. The world of virtual and augmented reality, VR and AR, has gained widespread interest and adoption. This industry offers immersive experiences and applications in various sectors, from entertainment and gaming to education and healthcare. Rapid technological advancements and expanding markets contribute to the wealth potential in this industry. As VR and AR become increasingly integrated into our lives, entrepreneurs who seize these opportunities can find themselves on the path to wealth. Number 7. Food technology and alternative protein sources. As we strive for sustainable and nutritious food sources, entrepreneurs in the food technology industry are making significant strides. This industry addresses the challenges of feeding a growing population and developing alternative protein sources. Entrepreneurs and investors who tackle these challenges head-on can amass substantial wealth while contributing to a more sustainable future. Number 8. Entertainment and streaming services. Last but not the least, we have the entertainment and streaming services industry. With the global reach of the internet, the rise of on-demand entertainment, and the power of network effects, this industry has experienced remarkable growth. Streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and others have captivated audiences worldwide. The success of these platforms and wealth they generate is a testament to the potential of this industry. While these industries we've discussed today have the potential for immense wealth generation, it's important to remember that becoming a billionaire is still a rare achievement. It requires a combination of factors such as innovation, timing, market demand, and entrepreneurial skills. The industries we've explored offer tremendous opportunities, but they also come with challenges and risks. If you're aspiring to achieve great success and wealth in these industries, it's crucial to stay informed, continually learn, and keep an eye on emerging trends. Remember, behind every billionaire success story lies dedication, perseverance, and a relentless pursuit of their goals. We hope you found this deep dive into billionaire-generating industries insightful. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Capital Luxury for more engaging content on entrepreneurship, wealth creation, and success stories. This is Ms. Luxury. Thank you for joining us today here at Capital Luxury, and we'll see you in the next video.